kindergarten teacher colleagues. In this video, I would like to provide professional support for organizing the kindergarten school transition. Preparatory, playful activities for school, magicians in the group. Activity organization based on drama. Pedagogical methodology, in which the goal is to develop elementary counting skills in complex motor activities. Task of the activity, development of elementary counting skills in the number range of 10. Concepts, many, few, least, most, the same. Development of harmonic movement skills, development of fine motor coordination, directions right, left, below, above. Group 5, 7-year-old children. Space, kindergarten group room or gym or playground. Time, 25-30 minutes. Tools, whistle, green and blue balls, bag, cards, hula hoop and plastic bricks, climbing frame, leaned against the ribbed wall. First game, magicians in the group. Explanation. In this game, the development goals are as follows. Communicative abilities, elementary social motives and skills, motor coordination, reaction and movement speed. Children, who among you has ever seen a magic trick? Who and what did you see in the magic trick? Now I will enchant you. Run around, and when I clap 1, stop and become the magician's little dove. If I clap 2, then be puppies. If I clap 3, then think of an animal for yourself that the magician will conjure up. Imitate the movements of the animals. Second game, magic trick. Explanation. The development goals in this game are as follows. Elementary counting skills in the number circle of 10, color and shape vision, set formation, gross motor skills, spatial orientation, movement coordination, reactivity, reaction, movement and movement speed, native language education. Children, imagine that you are little magicians. Run around the space, and when I blow the whistle, the girls should choose a blue ball and the boys a green ball. Count how many balls the girls have in total and how many the boys have. Who has more? Who has less? The one I touch can show what kind of performance they are preparing for their next performance. What is your name, little magician? Tell me what your magic costume is like. What are your shoes like? Show me your trick, little magician. For example, he throws the ball up and catches it. He throws it down on the ground and catches it. He throws the ball up in the air and catches it, clapping his hands in the process. Third game, colored balls. Explanation. The development goals in this game are as follows. Will, patience, ability to wait, group formation, spatial orientation, reaction, movement, and speed of movement. Dear little magicians, the elephants are about to come to the magic stage. They can also be conjured, but they can trample the many balls with their feet, so the girl magicians should put their ball in the blue bag, and the boy magicians in the green. Fourth game, conjuring. Explanation. The development goals in this game are as follows. Elementary counting skills. Counting in the 10-digit number circle. Practicing counting backwards. Communicative ability. Will. Sense of rhythm. Look, little magicians, quickly pass the ball around while counting from 1 to 10. After 10, 1 should follow again. Instead of 5, you should say magic. If I clap 1, then count backwards from 10 to 1. Fifth game, card game. Explanation. The development goals in this game are as follows. Elementary counting skills in the 10-digit number circle. Gross motor skills, motor coordination, spatial orientation, strength, stamina, sense of balance, patience, ability to wait, endurance, courage, will, communicative skills. You little magicians were very clever, so you can practice another trick. Here are the tools needed for the trick on the stage. The rule is that you can only practice with each tool as many times as you see the picture of the magician on the board next to them. Now you can draw a card from the magician's bag. Count the little kittens on your card. Go to practice where you see the same number of kittens as there are on your card. You can draw another card from the trainer when they whistle. Card explanation. 1 kitten, throw a beanbag into a box. 2 kittens, balancing on a bench, walking. 3 kittens, crawling under the set-up gymnastic rings by walking on their palms and soles. 4 kittens, balancing on a rope on the ground. 5 kittens, on the ribbed wall, climbing up and down. Sixth game, let's jump. Explanation. The development goals in this game are as follows. elementary counting skills in the number circle of 10, gross motor skills, coordination of movements, spatial orientation, sense of balance, endurance, courage, communicative skills. Will anyone who wants to can also choose the hopscotch. A drawing of a hopscotch can be seen on the ground. In the hopscotch, the rule is that only 1 foot can be jumped into each square. The kindergarten teacher deals with the children individually in this game. 7th game, feeding the elephant. Explanation. The development goals in this game are as follows. Gross motor skills, movement coordination, spatial orientation, endurance, courage, communicative ability, movement and speed of movement, elementary social motives and skills. Little magicians, I see you have practiced your tricks a lot. You are very good at being magicians. Look, the animal trainer is now taking the elephants out to feed them. What would you feed the elephant? Elephant feeding video from YouTube. Find a video on YouTube showing an animal trainer feeding an elephant and watch it together with the children. Dear colleagues, I will soon be posting my professional material for preparing for a new school. Subscribe to my channel. The video was edited by Gergő Gajdos Lóczi, 17 years old, university student. This video was made with an artificial intelligence program. Text compiled by Lóczi, kindergarten expert.